Hey everyone, welcome to Sheeba's Cookery World. In today's video, let's see the recipe of a Christmas special red velvet wreath cake. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. To begin with, line the baking pan with some parchment paper and grease with some melted butter. Next step is to prepare the buttermilk by adding 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to a cup of milk. Give it a good mix and set it aside for 10 minutes. Let's combine the dry ingredients now. Add some unsweetened cocoa powder into a bowl of all-purpose flour. Add in some salt. Whisk until everything is well combined and set it aside. Next, let's prepare the wet ingredients. Into a separate bowl, add in some unsalted butter at room temperature. Add in some granulated sugar to this. Use an electric hand mixer to blend it until it becomes creamy. Now add in the eggs one at a time. The eggs should be at room temperature. Blend until everything is well combined. The mixture would become pale yellow and fluffy. Pour in some vegetable oil and blend it again. Add in some good quality vanilla extract and mix it again. The wet ingredients mix is ready. Now let's add dry ingredients in small batches to this. Alternate this with the buttermilk that was prepared earlier. Now add in some red food gel color and incorporate it into the flour mixture. Add in all of the remaining flour mix and the buttermilk and blend it. Make sure you scrape the sides and blend it again. Now add some baking soda to vinegar and mix it well. Pour this immediately into the cake batter. This will make the batter airy and also make the cake soft from inside. Immediately transfer this batter into the greased cake tin. If you want, you can also equally divide the batter into 2 cake tins and bake them separately. Level the top with a spatula. The cake is now ready to be baked. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Bake the cake for around 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. While the cake is getting baked, let's prepare the cream cheese frosting. Into a bowl, add in some soft cream cheese which is at room temperature. To this, add in unsalted butter at room temperature. Use the electric hand mixer to blend it until it becomes pale and creamy. Add in icing sugar in small batches to this and blend it again. Pour in some vanilla extract and blend it until soft peaks are formed. You can refrigerate the frosting for some time until your cake is ready. Once the cake is completely baked, remove from the oven and place it on a wire rack. Allow it to cool down completely and then unmold the cake. Remove the parchment paper from the bottom of the cake. Now use a knife to cut the cake into 2 slices. This step can be avoided if you bake the cake in 2 separate tins. I'm gonna place the top slice on a separate wire rack. Now allow these cake slices to cool down completely before you frost them. Remove the cream cheese frosting from the refrigerator. Fill a piping bag with this cream cheese frosting. Cut the tip of the piping bag and start frosting 1 slice of the cake. Just spread the cream cheese frosting evenly on top. And then you can use an offset spatula to level the frosting. Now place the second slice of cake on top and pipe out the remaining frosting on the cake. Again use the offset spatula to level the frosting. In order to make the wreath, I am gonna use some fresh rosemary. You can just randomly arrange it and spread out the leaves. To make it colorful, I'm going to use some fresh strawberries. Cut each of the strawberries into 2 halves and arrange them as you see here. Finally, dust some powdered sugar. I'm also gonna add some sprinkles on top. Delicious red velvet Christmas wreath cake is now ready. You can refrigerate this for a couple of hours before you serve it. It would then taste even better. So do try this recipe for this Christmas and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. Click below to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Do check out some of the other interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.